what's up guys, Yusuf here from TechDroids and welcome to the first video of 2020. We're starting off with a good one. In today's video, we'll be reviewing the HyperX Cloud Alpha. If you've been in the market recently looking for a gaming headset, you've definitely come across this one because this is a very popular gaming headset and you might be wondering, should you buy it? Is this the best gaming headset for the price? And in today's video, I'll tell you guys just that. And a huge thanks to HyperX for sending this headset out my way for review. And yeah, that does not influence my opinion in any way. So in today's video, I'll give you guys my full review and I'll tell you guys what are the things that I like about this headset and what are the things that I don't like about this headset. So should you buy it or not? All that in this video. So that being said, let's get started. Alright, so talking about the box and what you get inside it. By the way, I really like the unboxing experience. It was very premium and the way things were laid out inside was pretty neat. One thing you get is the headset, then you get the microphone which is detachable, and I really like that because most of the headsets don't come with a detachable mic and that becomes a pain later on. So let's say you're just listening to music, not using the microphone, going outside, you can just take it out and keep it somewhere safe. There's also two cables that are included in the box which are really high quality, braided, and one of them is the main cable that is 1.3 meters in length. That comes with the inline controller for your volume, and it also has a microphone switch, so you can change the volume as well as mute your microphone on the fly and you don't have to fiddle around in the system, which is pretty handy while streaming and doing gaming. And also there's another cable that has two inputs, so one for your microphone, one for your audio, and that'll help you connect to things like a PC. And this is compatible with basically everything out there, starting off with your PC, Mac, PS4, Xbox One, Nintendo Switch, and also VR headsets. So that I really like, and you can also put it in your smartphone and listen to music and stuff like that. So basically it's compatible with everything you might ever come across, and that I really like because it's not limited to one platform and works everywhere. And talking about the design and build quality and the attention to detail, this is a premium headset and you're going to feel that from the moment you take this out of the box. And yeah, starting off with the top, this is leather and there's the HyperX logo indented, and below that is your headband, which is very plush, very comfortable, and there's a lot of cushioning which is memory foam, so it conforms to the shape of your head. Let's say you're doing long-term gaming sessions, extended gaming sessions, this should not get uncomfortable. At least for me, it didn't. And there's a lot of adjustment as well. Build quality, the materials used in the making of this headset are again very top-notch, and those top-notch materials really help. Like most of the headset is made out of metal, and wherever there's plastic used, there is a soft touch coating, and there's a lot of attention to detail, like the intricate fine stitching on the headband as well as the ear cups, and this screams quality. And talking about those ear cups, these are HyperX's signature memory foam ear cups, and these are really plush, very comfortable. There's a lot of cushioning, and I didn't get like any ear fatigue or ear sweat, or my ears didn't heat up even with long gaming sessions, as well as I use this headset for editing and listening to music, so there was no problem there. And the clamping force, like the force it holds your head with, is not that much, so again you won't get like a headache or something by using this for some time. And talking about adjustability and comfort, as I said, even if you have a watermelon for a head, this should fit you. And there's a really high quality headband which is adjustable. It has like metal latches, so you can dial in that precise kind of fit for your head, as well as the ear cups rotate, they don't swivel like the HyperX Cloud Stinger does. But again, that's something I would have loved to see maybe in the next one. But again, the ear cups do have some rotation, they don't swivel as I said, but the headband itself is very flexible, very rigid, and feels really sturdy. And that's the design build quality, definitely a plus from my side. Overall, the headset is really comfortable, but one thing that I didn't like, let's say you're putting this headset around your neck, that kind of gets uncomfortable because the ear cups don't rotate. So that's that. Maybe in the next one, get something from the HyperX Cloud Stinger. This is all right for now, but maybe in the next one, we'll get something better. All right, so for the people who are wondering how the microphone sounds, here's a little sound test. Hey, what's up guys, Yusuf here from TechDroids, doing a quick little microphone test on the HyperX Cloud Alpha so you guys get an idea how this mic sounds. A few things to note. The mic is detachable, so you can take it out if you're going out or just listening to music or something like that. Also, it comes with its own windshield and is very flexible, so you can put it up in any angle. If you're not using it, just put it behind or something like that, and that's something I really like. And a few things about its quality: it picks up my voice really clearly, very less background noise, maybe a little nasally, but hey, this is very beneficial for people who do live streams or make YouTube videos. If you're doing a commentary or a voiceover, definitely helps you out, and this is one of the better mics I have listened to in all of the gaming headsets I've tested so far. So yeah, good job HyperX, and I hope this mic test helps you out. Now with that out of the way, let's talk about the most important part, that is the sound. And with this headset, HyperX is marketing something called the dual chamber driver system. And let me try to explain that. So what is a speaker driver? A speaker driver is a unit that converts the audio signal into sound waves, so what you hear inside the ear. And usually in traditional headsets, when you buy them, they're using a single chamber driver system. So all the frequencies, including the bass, is handled by one single chamber. So your mids, your highs, as well as the bass is all done by that single chamber. So let's say you have a headset that has really good bass, that is going to be overpowering over the mids and the high frequencies, so you won't get sound clarity. And sound clarity, this headset is going to nail that. And I use this for editing as well as music and just playing games, and in my experience the headset performed really well. Now I'm not an audiophile or anything like that, but I can appreciate really good quality audio. And usually when you're buying headsets, you get a choice. Do you want something that's bass heavy, or do you want something that's going to give you clear vocals? This headset gives you both. So the headset has really good bass as well as has really clear vocals, and you can get the distinction between all the sounds, like different beats and footsteps and gunfires, explosions happening inside a game or inside a song or something like that. All the instruments can be heard separately and you can make out what is being played, and that I really like. This helps not only with gaming, also for people who are creatives like me, who do editing and do a lot of work with audio, and audio is really important for us. This headset definitely helps me out. So let's say you're listening to music, playing games, doing editing, live streaming, this headset is going to give you really good sound, and there was no compromise. Like let's say you're getting good bass, you compromise on clarity, this headset is not going to give you that. And I'm a big fan of this dual chamber driver technology. There is absolutely no distortion in the headset sound. Even at the max volume, you're able to get clear sound, which is not harsh or ear piercing. It does not hurt the ear. So that's something I really like, and that is the goal with this dual chamber driver technology, is to get clear vocals, clear bass, as well as no distortion, and I really like that. Also, the headset does have passive noise cancellation, and that is able to muffle out or cancel out things like your keyboard noise, maybe someone speaking in the background, the AC, the fan, or whatever that's running. You won't be able to hear all that, so passive noise cancellation is really nice. Overall, the sound quality is really good in my opinion. And me personally, I love playing Counter-Strike, so I was able to appreciate the quality of this headset inside that game. I was able to make out different things, footsteps, gunfire, smokes, grenades, all those things happening in different areas of the map, and I was exactly able to tell where it is happening. And now I get it why most of the pro players also prefer the Cloud Alpha over other headsets. And I've put in a lot of hours into Counter-Strike, and I've used numerous headsets, and this one was definitely up there in the best gaming headsets I've tried. And now to conclude this review and give you guys my verdict, if you have the money and if you're looking for a really high quality premium gaming headset in this kind of price, which is $100 or upwards of 9,000 rupees in India, you can definitely go for the HyperX Cloud Alpha. Now I've not tested the other headsets in this price, but I've tested this one and I can definitely vouch for the price and the value for money on this headset, and it's definitely going to be a good addition to your gaming setup as well as your just tech arsenal in general. And I'll drop a link down below so you can buy this from Amazon, or you can also find this offline, or you can also go to HyperX's official website and learn more about this headset. So I'll drop links again in the description down below so you can check it out. And a huge thanks to HyperX again for sending this headset out my way for review. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then go ahead and smash the like button and also subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments down below what you think about the HyperX Cloud Alpha. What headset are you using currently, and would you ever upgrade to something like this? And I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace out.
Feel you in my pulse.